In this video, I will show you how to get raiffeisen bank statement. So friends, let's get started. First, log in your account. This is the first step you need to do. Log in with your bank, choose the country of your bank and your users and PIN. After that, choose the login. After logging your account, you will see this dashboard. For example, and this is a Germany account. In this case, if you have a mobile, you will see this account from here. So guys, follow me on these simple steps. When you log in your account, select your account you want to get statements. For example, this account. When you choose this one, you will see this page. All you have to do, choose owner documentations. Choose the owner documentations here. When you choose owner documentations, look for statement option. So friends, this is all your statement, as you can see here. And this is all statement. Choose any one you want to download. For example, this one. You will see this statement, as you can see here. Just click this one and then you will get your statement with all details such your names here and mobile numbers and then a balance. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video for more content.